video, I'm going to show you what is possible using the GeneratePress Premium theme and what types of websites you can make using it. Okay, it's the best toolkit that you can ever have. Now, you can make this type of site, which is a blog. You can make a WordPress training site if you wish to, all again from GeneratePress's Premium theme. Or you can make a copywriting site, all from using just one theme. And you don't need to use any toolkits, you don't need to use any membership plugins or anything of that nature. And over the course of the next few videos on this channel, you'll be able to find out how you can do just that and how you can use GeneratePress specifically to make any WordPress site that you want. So if you want to stay tuned for that, click on the subscribe button, and when you click the subscribe button, then click the word all so you get notified of every video that comes up. And we'll be walking you through the challenges and walking you through how to do each site that you want to do very, very simply. Feel free to like and to comment beneath this video if you want to do, but that's what we're going to be doing in these videos. Take care for now. Thanks for watching.